In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Wix multilingual website. Establishing a multilingual presence can enrich your site's accessibility, allowing you to reach a broader audience from diverse backgrounds. So let's dive in and get started. First things first, log into your Wix account. Once you're in, head over to your website editor. Navigating through Wix's intuitive interface can be quite straightforward, which makes this process easier. From the editor, locate the Add Apps button. Click on it and you'll see a search bar. In this search bar, type Wix Multilingual and add it to your site. For the purpose of this tutorial, we've already added the application so we can focus directly on configuring it, smoothing out the learning curve. Now let's set up the multilingual settings for your site. Direct your attention to the top of the editor page where you'll find the Settings option. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select Multilingual. This part might take a moment, so a little patience here goes a long way. Once it loads, you'll see a setup wizard specifically designed to make your multilingual experience as seamless as possible. Click Get Started to dive into the configuration. At this point, one of the primary tasks is to confirm your site's main language. This serves as the default language that visitors will first encounter when they arrive at your site. It's important to choose wisely here, as altering it later isn't an option. If you feel it needs adjusting, now is the time to make the change. Next, you'll want to select a flag icon that represents the language on your website. This small yet significant icon acts as a visual guide for your visitors, allowing them to recognize and switch between the languages available on your site. Choose a flag that best aligns with the language you've selected for clarity and ease of navigation. And now we arrive at the final step, adding your second language. This addition is crucial as it broadens your website's communication reach, allowing visitors who speak different languages to engage more fully with your content and services. By doing this, you're not just enhancing your site's accessibility, but also unlocking opportunities to connect with a wider global audience. There you have it.